How to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments, and then let's get started right away. So first of all, you can only do this on Safari. So if you normally use Google on your iPhone, then you cannot do that. You have to use Safari for this. So let's say I were to, for example, to have Google Translate as a shortcut on my home screen. What I want to do is simply go to the website which you want to add, then click on the share button here at the bottom, scroll a bit down, and here you have many options. And here we can already see add to home screen, and that's where we want to click on. Then we can still change the name if we would like to. And then at the bottom here is the link. And then we simply have to click on add. And this will bring us back over to our home screen. And we can now see the shortcut right over here. So when I click on it, it will automatically be opened over here in your browser. And actually it looks more kind of like an app, as you can see, because we don't see the browser search bar or whatever at the bottom. So this is actually pretty clean. But yeah, that's how to add a website shortcut to iPhone home screen.